Hi guys! This is Tinmay Arcenas and welcome to my channel. So matagal-tagal na din po ako nawala dito sa YouTube at ilang months na din po ako hindi nakagawa ng videos at nakapag-upload. Pero I'm glad that this is my comeback video. Happy po ako at excited ako na i-share sa inyo na approved for monetization na po ang ating channel. Kaya naman gusto ko po i-take yung opportunity na to na magpa-thank you sa aking 1,270 subscribers as of today, March 15, 2019. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ko din maabot ang milestone na to. So, for today's video ay i-share ko sa inyo ang ating mga new babies, ang ating mga bagong makeup brushes. Pero before tayo mag-proceed ay ma-share ko lang sa inyo dahil nung nag-start pa lang ako dito sa YouTube, hindi talaga maganda yung quality ng mga makeup brushes na ginagamit ko. Nabili ko siya for isang set for only 600 pesos. May ginawa akong video last year about makeup brushes entitled Beginner's Guide to Makeup Brushes. Ilalagay ko yung link ng video na yon sa description box below. Kahit yung ginamit ko dun sa video na yun, mumurahin lang, hindi masyadong maganda yung quality. Pero happy po ako dahil dun po ako nakapag-start, dun po ako natuto, at happy ako na nakashare ako sa inyo ng mga basic functions and uses of makeup brushes. Dahil approved for monetization na nga ang ating channel at gusto kong makontinue yung pag-share ko ng mga beauty tips sa inyo, na pag-isip-isip ko na siguro it's time at itinakda na talaga ang tamang panahon para mag-invest na ako ng mga good quality makeup brushes, pero syempre yung affordable pa rin naman. So, yung ginawa ko before ako bumili ng mga makeup brushes, nag-research ako, nanood ako ng mga YouTube videos and reviews ng iba't ibang brands ng makeup brushes na proven and tested na ng mga professional makeup artists, makeup gurus, and mga beauty vloggers. So, bakit nga ba natin kailangan gumamit ng mga makeup brushes? Of course, it makes our life easier and better. Mas na-even out niya yung application and blending ng products, mas nagiging buildable yung coverage niya, mas nalilimit niya yung messiness sa ating kapaligiran, and of course, para hindi magkalat sa ating mga kamay, and of course, para easy i-control ang ating pag-makeup. Alam niyo ba na yung makeup skills mo kasing importante ng ginagamit mong mga makeup brushes? Especially if high quality talaga siya. Because even if you're not a professional makeup artist, if you're using high quality makeup brushes, tools, and products, your application and the outcome will be better. Okay lang talaga kahit mumurahin yung mga makeup brushes nyo, basta quality lang talaga. Kasi it will be worth it naman kasi mas tatagal siya sa inyo. So guys, eto na talaga, introducing our new babies, the Real Techniques makeup brushes. So these are all synthetic brushes. So dapat pag bumibili kayo ng makeup brushes, dapat synthetic talaga. Why? Because they are less likely to become damaged by the makeup itself or products you might use to clean your brushes, and also better suited for people with those sensitivities. What I really like about Real Techniques brushes, they feature a color-coded system corresponding to the key steps of makeup application, so you can create a flawless base, enhanced eyes, and the perfect finish like a pro. So, ibig sabihin, meron silang color-coding system na nagko-correspond kung paano at para saan mo siya gagamitin. It's really perfect for beginners like me. For example, yung gold brushes for the base, yung purple brushes for the eyes, and yung pink brushes for the finish. So, mag-guiden ka talaga kung paano mo siya gagamitin kasi meron nga siyang color coding system. Sephora at Zalora kasi mayroong mga brushes na available sa Sephora na hindi available sa Zalora, at mayroon ding mga brushes na available sa Zalora na hindi available sa Sephora. Pero mas maraming brushes talaga na available sa Sephora. And it is also available at SM Department Store. Before, walang Real Techniques sa SM City Cebu. Pero nung pumunta ako last year, meron na silang stall for the Real Techniques brushes. Gusto ko yung packaging ng lahat ng brushes, hard plastic, napakatibay, so hindi masisira ang brushes during shipping. Guys, kung napapansin nyo sa likod ng packaging ng Real Techniques brushes, merong dalawang magagandang babae. Sila si Sam and Nick Chapman. Di ko alam kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko ng Chapman, pero they are sisters and they are the faces behind Real Techniques brushes. They are professional makeup artists and also top-rated YouTube sensations. One more thing I like about these Real Techniques brushes, they are very affordable and great brushes. Mamaya ay magmi-makeup tayo at iisa-isahin ko ang functions and uses ng bawat makeup brush. 2 Miracle Complexion Sponge, Expert Face Brush, Powder Brush, Technique Essential Set, which is the Essential Foundation Brush, Dome Shadow Brush, Multitask Brush, and it comes with a drying stand and trial of brush cleansing gel, blush brush, stippling brush, retractable lip brush, shading brush, starter set for eyes, which is the Deluxe Crease brush, base shadow brush, accent brush, fine liner brush, brow brush, and it also comes with a panoramic case and 2 Miracle mini eraser sponges. Unahin na natin ang gold sponge and brushes, which is for the base. For the base, we have the 2 Miracle Complexion Sponge, Powder Brush, Expert Face Brush, and the Essential Foundation Brush na kasama sa Technique Essential Set. Their Miracle Complexion Sponge is a 3-in-1 multifunctional sponge that leaves you with a complexion that is smooth, enhanced, and gorgeous. Use them for a dewy glow or dry full of full coverage. It is a revolutionary foam technology, ideal for liquid foundation. You should replace it every 1 to 3 months and it is latex-free. The flat edge of this sponge is used for contouring around eyes and nose, the sides for blending large areas of the face, and the tip covers imperfections. The Expert Face Brush. Their Expert Face Brush is ultra firm and broad for an airbrushed finish. The buff you need to experience that is ideal for cream and liquid foundations. Get the ideal dusting of makeup with their powder brush. Their powder brush has a plush large head for smooth, high-definition results. It is ideal for powder and mineral foundations. The Essential Foundation Brush. Precision cut to build flawless, custom coverage with liquid foundation or concealer. Next is the Purple Sponge and Brush, which is for the eyes. The starter set for eyes. It comes with 5 brushes and a panoramic case. The Deluxe Crease Brush. It is soft, oversized design with ultra plush bristles for effortless contouring. The Base Shadow Brush. Ultra plush bristles apply a smooth, flawless foundation of color. The Accent Brush. It is designed for precision detailing, spotlighting, highlighting, and smudging. The Fine Liner Brush. It is the ultimate tool for precision application of liquid or cream eyeliner. The Brow Brush. It is an angled brush which easily defines eyebrows. The Panoramic Case. It is a dual carrier and stand. Keeps brushes organized on your counter or on the go. It is also perfect for drying brushes upside down. The Shading Brush. From subtle to dramatic, their essential shading brush is hand-cut to create flawless high-definition results. Bristles are tapered for maximum color pickup and even distribution. It is ideal for powder or cream eyeshadows. The 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. From flaking mascara to eyeshadow fallout, these little miracles help sweep away your makeup mishaps. Use them to blend harsh lines or dry to pick up makeup. It is soft, flexible foam to help pick up any type of makeup. You should replace it every 1 to 3 months and it is latex-free. It has flat edges, rounded sides, and tip. The Dome Shadow Brush. Its tapered design smoothly shades and defines eyes with cream or powder shadows. Next, the Pink Brushes, which is for finish. One of the Technique Essential Set is the Multitask Brush. It has ultra plush bristles for effortless application of powder, blush, and bronzer. The Blush Brush. Their blush brush is custom cut to contour and define cheeks for flawlessly blended, high-definition results. Tapered cut to blend like a pro, and it is ideal for powder blush. The Stippling Brush. Their dual fiber stippling brush is the trade secret for applying your makeup with airbrushed results. Its 2 bristle types and lengths distribute product for a feathery finish. It is ideal for liquid or cream finishing product. The Retractable Lip Brush. The retractable lip brush applies color smoothly and expertly lines the contours of the lip for added definition. It includes caps so you can retract, cover, and go mobile. Ultra firm precision taper tip, and it is ideal for lipstick or lip stains. Sobrang soft ng powder brush na to. As in, gusto ko yung brush na to pag nagtatouch talaga sa face ko. Ang ganda-ganda niya sa face. Parang hindi siya nanunusok. Kasi yung dati kong brushes, may mga iba talaga doon na parang nanunusok. Pero ito as in, sobrang ganda. So, nakilala nyo na po ang ating mga new babies at nalaman nyo na din po ang kanilang functions and uses, I would highly recommend these Real Techniques brushes, especially for beginners like me, kasi yung packaging mo niya sa likod, merong nakalagay na mga guides niya at saka kung paano siya gamitin. And i-highlight ko nga pala tong Technique Essential Set, which is for me, for survival and travel kit na rin siya kasi it has for base, for eyes, and for finish. So, yung gold brush niya, pwede siya for concealer, for liquid foundation. Yung purple brush niya, pwede siya for eyeshadow. And yung pink brush niya, pwede siya for powder, for blush, and for bronzer. So, complete set na to. And sa mga viewers natin dyan na hindi pa kayang mag-invest ng ganitong karaming brushes, pwede nyo itong kunin. You can have this set of 3 for 1,307 pesos only. Yung price nga po pala ng each brush ay magkaiba, so ilalagay ko na lang po sa description box below lahat ng details ng mga brushes. So guys, I hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. If you like and love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have requests, suggestions, and recommendations, please do so in the comment section down below. And if you're not part yet of our beautiful family, please do subscribe to my channel, Tinmay Arcenas, and click the bell button beside it so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow my social media accounts, Instagram at Tinmay Arcenas, Facebook Tinmay Arcenas, Facebook page Tinmay Arcenas. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!